Hi everyone! Now I'm sitting with my cello and thinking about that it's time to start to practice cello regularly again after long Christmas and New Year vacations. Of course, not so many of us been practicing every day all these 2 weeks, and also me, so I can feel that my muscles is not so flexible or not so strong like usually. So I really feel this wish to start this year from my regular warming up. And I hope that my way to warm up hands maybe will be useful also for you. Before the lesson, please find scores of exercises and scales in description to this video. And then we go. First of all, I'm checking if I'm sitting with the cello right way. I'm sitting on the edge of a chair with a straight spine, straight relaxed spine. So it shouldn't be any tense in the neck or in the shoulders. So shoulders heavy and relaxed. The pad box behind of your head, and the cello shouldn't lean on sides, so it shouldn't lean to the right and shouldn't lean to the left, because it will have impact on your hands. If you are leaning so much to the right, you will bend your left wrist, or other way around, you will bend too high your right hand wrist. So check this position. Next, how we are preparing left hand. We are just doing the hand completely relaxed, and then we bend the left hand only in the elbow zone, so here. So we have this side, this is part of this hand, mostly straight, so it shouldn't be up or down. And then it's feeling that you are hanging with only one finger from shoulder. We are using weight for the left hand from shoulder, and we are not pressing only with finger, we are hanging and feeling weight from shoulder. And then when we are changing fingers, the weight is coming to the next finger. We never tense with all 4 fingers. The thumb is very flexible, relaxed, it's no tense in the muscles here. It's like here at the middle of the neck has very loose muscle tense, and sometimes it's even 1 or 2 millimeters over neck, so it's not connected to the neck, especially when they are doing vibrato. So it shouldn't be glued to the neck, and it shouldn't be so deep or shouldn't be so short. So the thumb is located between first and second finger here. Important then in first 4 positions, the first finger and fourth finger should be round. So you shouldn't lean on one finger like that, to the first finger or to the fourth finger. Round, round. Right hand, we can do so. We can help a little bit with the left hand. We are keeping a bow with the left hand and doing several times so. So we are fixing left hand with the thumb and with the second finger like that. So first we are doing so, and then the position of this 4 finger will be like that. So the silver ring will be between 2 fingers, and first finger and second finger here will be bent. They are looking to the nose of a bow. So this position is for the middle of a bow. So here, when we are coming to the end of a bow, mostly the hand here will be straight. when we are coming to the down part, the position of the hand will be like that. So the most important that we should be here, we should have here like plus between hairs of a bow and between string. It's like plus. What we are doing first of all to warm up the right hand, we can say hello to the cello. How we are doing that? We are doing like one note and trying to play deep, like on the surface, not like we are pressing with the fingers, like we are caressing animal, or we are doing very deep move, deep and smooth, and with the speed, and we are opening our arm. So we are doing so. And little bit to release this move, we can do so. We can do exercise like circle. Next, what we are doing, I would like you to, I recommend you to play exercise from Cello Method of Kummer. Why? Now we are going to exercise both of our hands, little bit to warm them up. First of all, we will exercise our left hand. For that, look this course. Also, you will see this course on the screen. So we are started to play in the first position on the D string. This exercise number 1. Good exercise, because we are playing in the first position, so we need like well organized hand, and this exercise is good for coordination of fingers. So we are hanging with the weight only on one finger, not on 4 fingers together, and we are not pressing with the fingers. We are hanging from the elbow using the weight of elbow, and then we are playing. Which variants we can play this exercise? First of all, we can play 8 notes, one bow, using elbow, opening arm, it's like that. And then you can continue with this finger. Same 8 notes on all strings. So we start now from string D, and then we can play same on G string. It will be G major. And same on a C C string, C major. So we can play as high as we can, changing position with the first finger. So it's very good for training position line. It's very good for training our positions, our good intonation in position number 1, 2, 3, and 4. And from same time we are training our smooth legato. So we should keep very smooth legato without accents, without holes between changes of a bow. So it should be feeling that you are playing same speed, same deep speed, and same weight. So it shouldn't be stop. You shouldn't change bow only with the fingers, because it will be accent. So we are changing bow with very smooth, mostly inertial move. So how we can play this exercise? We can play 8 notes. We can play 4 notes. Then we are using middle of a bow. Or we can play détaché. So every note separate, but the sound should be like legato, very smooth, like so. So very important to feel that you are with your right hand on the surface, deep in the string, and you are not pressing, but you are playing with the weight of a hand. So it should be very nice sound, similar with our human voice. And you can hear by yourself that if it's good sound, your sound comes from cello up to the ceiling. If you will press with your fingers like so, sound will come down. So it's no air in this sound, it's not volume in this sound. So try to play very deep and to feel grip very good and to play smooth and deep. It's the first exercise. You can start to play down, or you can start to play up. So you can play same on A string, D, G, and C. The second exercise, it's more about coordination of hands. We are playing détaché at the middle of a bow. And same on each string, on a G, or on a C, on A. Well, A string is a most thin string, so try to play more delicate. So we are using not so much weight, for example, as for the string C. For C we need more weight from shoulder. On A we need less weight, but still we should feel grip and we should be on the surface, not over surface or not on surface of a string. So this is 2 exercises. Of course, if you are very beginner, you can start only first position. But if you like more advanced, you can come a little bit higher with positions. For example, and it's also good to check intonation with the open strings. For example, here we can check A with A, G with G. So, and then we can go. So you can play all octave in a D major and then back. So this is for more advanced cellists. So this was like a very light warming up of left hand, and then we are coming to a little bit to warm up our right hand. So look exercise number 3. So we will play legato, 2 notes, legato on 2 strings, and we will try to play rhythmical and to use good quality of a sound. So first we will play slow. And then we are going to play on a C string the same. And then on D string. And we can start not down, but we can start up. For more advanced cellist, I would recommend to warm your right hand with spiccato. This is exercise number 1. So look exercise number 1. That's where, for more advanced cellists, we can play spiccato. So we are like dropping bow on a string, and this dropping should be very rhythmical, like tennis balls, and we are feeling also grip. So we are not playing on surface or out of surface, we are feeling grip. So this sound reminds a little bit small tennis balls. How they are jumping from the floor, and then you can do. So for that you should have little bit upper hand, more lighter hand. So shoulder and big parts, heavy parts, we are not using for that. We are just dropping bow on the string and trying to be close to the string, not far away. Usually we are correcting this jump only with 2 fingers. My main exercises which you are using for every day. Write in the comments which exercises you like more, and see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.